this Vaiyasika.
कर्मैव फलदं यद्वा कर्माराधित ईश्वरः अपूर्वावान्तरद्वारा कर्मणः फलदातृता अचेतनात् फलासूतेः शास्त्रीयात् पूजितेश्वरात् कालान्तरे फलोत्पत्तेः नापूर्वपरिकल्पना.
The topic is who gives karma phala. Karma done by for getting phala. Whether karma itself gives phala or karma produces something called apurva and that gives the phala, or Ishvara gives the karma phala. So finally Siddhanta is Ishvara gives karma phala. That's the doubt shanka. Karma eva phaladam. Is it that karma itself gives the results of action? Yadva or karma aradhita Ishvara. Karmana aradhita Ishvara. Ishvara aradhita invoked by karma. Is it karma itself gives result or Ishvara invoked by karma gives result? This is the doubt shanka. Purapaksha. He says apurvavantara dvara karmanaha phaladatrita. He says karma has the status of giving the phala. Phaladatrita. Karma has got the status of giving the phala. So how? Apurva avantara dvara. Avantara, like a madhyavarti, a middle agent as it were. Middle agent means what? Karma being done, bhoga, phala in between, something called apurva is there. Madhyavarti, avantara means in between. Madhyavarti, apurva, says, dvara, karma itself gives the phala. It has the status of karma phala data. Siddhanta. Achetana phalasrutehe शास्त्रीयात् पूजितेश्वरा कालांतरे फलोत्पत्तेः अपूर्व परिकल्पना न एड युक्ता. अपूर्व परिकल्पना न एड युक्ता. If you say karma itself gives phala, karma is jada or chetana?
Jada.
How can jada can give you some phala? So therefore, achetana, karma being achetana, phalasya asutehe, it cannot produce the phala. It is incapable of producing phala. Then who gives the phala? Siddhanta. Shastriyat pujiteshvara. Shastriyat here is Shastra Siddhat. Pujiteshvara means by Ishvara, who is invoked by karma, and with which Ishvara? Shastra Siddha Ishvara. Ishvara proved by, ascertained by Shastra, who is invoked, Ishvara. Kalantare phalotpatti. Kalantare means after appropriate time. We can't say how long, etc. That's the fructifying period. So kalantare phalotpatti, phala being produced, phalotpatti, and because of this apurva parikalpana na yukta. So imagining something called apurva in between is not correct, because who gives phala? Ishvara. So how etc. will be proved? ये फलदातृत्वम् इति आशंक्य व्यवहारता तद उपपादयितुं, to ascertain that, to prove that That Phaladhatritva Vyavaharta Parishvara is that Upakramate begins Phalam Ataha, etc. Phalam Ataha Upapatti Ataha Phalam Upapatti. Ataha means from this means so Asmat Parameshvara, from this verse. Phalam. All beings get their karma phala. How do you say so? Kutaha. Upapatte. Because of reasoning or because of fitness, because of propriety. Because karma is vinashi or not.
Yes.
Once done, it gets destroyed. Destroyed karma how can it give phala? Vinashi karma, and phala doesn't come immediately. It comes in the kalantara. So there must be someone who knows who did what and who deserves what. He should be Sarvajna, he should be Sarvashaktiman. Why Sarvashaktiman? Here Sarvajna will not help. He has bhogas of different lokas. He has to create. And go to this loka, address. वो है ही नहीं होता. So like suppose for a deadly disease, this is the 100% pure remedy. Where available? Nowhere on the globe. He has to provide the bhoga jata tamoha loka. Sarva Shaktiman must be there. So that's why karmas by themselves cannot do. It is not simply because when you say phala gives, loka is taken for granted or not?
Yes.
Can your karma do it? Then, so that I say upapatti. So that means the kshanika karma being incapable of giving phala. So Ishvara is karma data is given to reasoning. Caption: Karma phala is given by Ishvara for the next page, Sutra 38 end. Because of the same Shruti, we should accept the existence of who? Ishvara. Because Apurva itself cannot, being result cannot give the result. It has to be operated by Chetana, Chetana being. And that is directly proved by Shruti as what? Ishvara. Why don't you take that? So therefore, the Shrutatva, that is what Svikara Vidya Shrutatva Cheti Sutra. Shrutatva Cha. Cha means there api. Api means in addition to the reason given Upapattehe in the earlier sutra, to add further api also Shrutatva. So in Shruti, Ishvara is told as the karma pada data. No appeal. Direct Shruti is the pramana. Shrutatva. So that I say means in Shruti it is very clearly told that Ishvara is the one who gives the phala. So that means the case Ishvara only is the karma phala data. Of course, which is true, he doesn't give the phala arbitrarily. He gives in accordance with the karma phala. And if you want to call it apurva, you will be happy. What we have known. But basis is where karma. But gives to Ishvara. So that because the Siddhanti, Vedanti considers that Ishvara is the karma phala on account of Shruti and Upapatti. Shruti is what? Sutra 39. Upapatti Sutra 38. Because that means because Siddhanti, Vedanti considers Ishvara as the karma phala on account of reasoning, Sutra 38, and Shruti, direct Shruti 39. Because of these very two reasons only, say, Ataha eva means Abhyam eva Shutyupapattibhyam. Abhyam eva Shutyupapattibhyam. By this very Shruti and Upapatti, which are made use by who? Siddhanti, to prove the existence of Ishvara. It says Dharmam. What is this Dharma? Sadashiva Brahmendra says Dharma here is Yagadikam, means karma. Means karma itself gives the phala, that is what he has to say. So Yagadikam, that is Yagadikam, Dharmam, is add Phaladataram, Dharmam, after that add Phaladataram, iti Jaimini, Acharya by name Jaimini. Afterwards comes Badarayana. Best thing is not enter into arguments. Who is this Jaimini? Who is this Badarayana, etc. Some Acharya. It may Pura Mimamsaka only, that is what they say. And Badarayana is who? Vyasa. But they, historically, they will make 100 arguments, etc. Sadashiva Brahmendra doesn't want to enter into any argument. Tan namaka acharya. Tan namaka acharya. Acharya having the name Jaimini. Badarayana, acharya having name Badarayana. You break your head afterwards. It is irrelevant. So who is Vyasa? But what Badarayana says is Siddhanta, what Jaimini says is Purapaksha. That much is okay. That much you understand. What Siddhanta has to say, what could be, that much you understand. Who is what, etc. We are not here doing research in history because it is very difficult to establish. The same name can be for others also. Mostly this is Pura Mimamsaka Jaimini, and that is Vyasa. But to prove, so you have to have many things certain. There is no point in wasting that time there. So that is Acharya Manyate, consider. Take caption, Purapaksha. Dharma means Yagadika karma alone gives karma phala. Page 668, Sutra 40, end. Answer is given. The Jnanandaya Ishvara phalam iti Siddhantayati. Sutrakara gives the Siddhanta. What is that? No, sir, it is not from Apurva, it is from Ishvara only. So the Siddhanta is given. Purvam tu Badarayana Hetu Vyapadesha Advaya Tu Purvam Badarayana add Manyate Kutaha. Add Manyate Kutaha. Phala Hetu Phala Vyapadesha. Tu Shabda Shanka Nivartakaha. To dispel the doubt raised by this or a Purapaksha of Acharya Jaimini. Tu Shanka. Purvam. Purvam means Purvoktam. Whatever that was told earlier in earlier sutras. Which are those sutras? Phalamataha upapattehe 38, Shutasvachya 39. What was told there? Ishvaram Phaladataram. Ishvara and the karma phala data. That was told. It says Manyate Badarayana Manyate. Who considers Badarayana? It will be Vyasa, whatever let us say, Acharya Badarayana, who speaks of Siddhanta. So, Manyate. If the question is asked, how come? Hetu Apadesha. There are clear Shrutis which tell Ishvara as the karma phala hetu. Very clearly it is told. It is not Shruti and Upapatti is of other one. So that's why it says, Ishwarasya karmaphala hetutvena kathana. Ishvara is very clearly pointed out as what? Karmaphala data. Karmaphala data. So that is what it is. So that is hetu vyapadesha. Vyapadesha is mention of the hetu, mention of the hetu vyapadesha. Of course, what are the shruti will be seen in the bhashya. This caption, Siddhanta. Ishvara alone is karma phala hetu, because Ishvara is the creator of dharma. Next page, Sutra 41 end.